Hi, my name is Ronnie. And today I'll tell you everything you need to know about NEURODRINE before you actually decide to buy the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing is that you need to know about NEURODRINE is that you will only buy NEURODRINE on the internet because NEURODRINE is only sold on the official website, and to help you, I left the link to the official website below, in the description of this video. So what is NEURODRINE? Does it really work? Is it really good? What are people saying about it is true, and the answer is yes. NEURODRINE works. What they're saying about him is true. He's good. After many laboratory tests, specialized researchers have identified that NEURODRINE is an nootropic supplement that helps maintain memory and a healthy brain. It increases sharpness, focus, memory and concentration of the brain. NASA team inspired NEURODRINE after discovering a powerful cell that revitalizes the brain and improves memory. NEURODRINE uses a natural approach to providing cognitive support. It is manufactured without additives, GMOs, fillers, soy, binders, or colors. NEURODRINE provides the brain with cells with necessary energy, increasing the metabolism of the brain. NEURODRINE improves communication and the sending of signals by neurotransmitters. And it provides oxygen and blood, ensuring they reach the entire brain region. It also protects nerve cells by enhancing brain function, so yes, you can trust this product. Are many people having great results with NEURODRINE, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little obvious, but I'm saying this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know. You can test NEURODRINE for up to 60 days, and if you have no results, if you not like, you are guaranteed to have 100% of your money back. But for NEURODRINE to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, 1 capsule a day after meals. It is suggested to take the capsule with water, juice, or other drink, or else you won't get the expected results, and get a little frustrated. But taking NEURODRINE as recommended. You'll see the initial results in the first month. But most people tends to have better results with 3 months of use of this product. Also important, NEURODRINE has no side effects as it is natural. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy NEURODRINE, because there are similar products on the market, but do not deliver results such as NEURODRINE. And also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be different from anyone else, because each organism acts in a unique way. So don't compare yourself to other people. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that NEURODRINE really helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thank you for watching the video.